Hey cubing gang, the Speedcuber here. Today we will have 5 color neutral example solves. Hopefully in this example solves I will encounter cases where I can do advanced stops and FRUF prime, which was popularized by the one and only Jaden McNeil. Here is the first scramble. We have a very easy white cross, and we can easily track our first pair, which is these two. We can do the cross like this. I will solve this orange and white edge first, cross edge first. Then before doing an L prime, I will do U2 first, then L prime to set up this pair. I will force it to be inserted into the back like that, and the next pair that I saw is these two, so I will pair them up like that, and next pair I will do, and last pair, very simple. Now I will do OLLCP and U-perm. In the second scramble, we can preserve this yellow pair by solving this blue and red edge first like that, and doing this, insert that while looking ahead to this pair, then this pair, and lastly this pair. OLL and PLL. Since my G-perm has this AOF where the block is solved, we can do this to avoid an AOF. Here is the third solve. We can do yellow or green. I think I will do green, and this is my first pair, this corner and this edge. I will solve the cross like this, like that, and align the cross. Now go straight into pairing up this pair and insert it into the back. Now I saw this pair, but that's not a good pair, so I might go with this pair, and instead of doing a U then inserting it, I will do this. So from this I will do this U2 and insert the pair with L U2 L prime to give myself this F to L case. We can solve it like this. Now last pair, I will take out this pair and preserve the oriented edges, last layer edges. And overall, I know that my headlights will end up on the front. And again, we have this G-perm where the block is solved, so we can just do this G-perm. Okay, so fourth solve, we haven't encountered a case that can be done with FRUF prime. In this scramble, the white cross is obviously the easiest, and my first pair is these two. This is probably inefficient, but with this cross solution I can track my first pair. And now I have this and this. I can solve it into the back. Looking ahead, I saw this corner and this edge, and while solving this pair, I am also tracking this pair. Insert it, last pair, then here is the final scramble for this video. Hopefully we can do FRUF prime. On yellow we have a pair, so we will try to preserve it. We can preserve it by solving these three pairs like that. And before solving this orange and yellow cross edge, we can do this to preserve the pair. Insert this pair while tracking these two. And we can do R prime F R, then solve this pair rotationless, and we can do this. That is basically F R U F prime. Then we have a T OLL, which is very nice, and J A perm, which is a decent PLL for me. So those are the 5 color neutral example solves. Thank you all for watching. This is the Speedcuber. See you all next time. Keep safe, guys.